This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it's bit bad. Smoke with the bad. Like chips at the front. Let's go. I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I like in my way. Hella quick. Like to get a hook up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yes, in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big. This a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party. I just want a rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and I realized that I didn't do a video on changing out the actual bulbs in the town car taillight housing, so I wanted to show you guys how this all comes apart. So one of the first things that we're going to do, open the trunk, and at this point, if you look inside, you're gonna see this button and some carpet. I've already removed the cover over the spare tire. So you're just gonna take this, unscrew it. This little plastic cap. Okay, put that aside. And then at this point, you can pull back the carpet. And you're going to notice that there are three bolts. There are 3 bolts that we're going to undo and then remove the taillight housing. So those nuts are 7/16. They fit on there. As you can see, socket fits nice and tight. So let's get the ratchet on this and undo it. And these weren't over tightened, so actually at this point I can already pretty much spin it by hand for this one. And the biggest thing is you don't want to drop the nuts. If you drop the nuts, obviously you can replace them, but they're probably going to fall somewhere where you're not going to see them again. So there's one further in. And there's also one at the top side here. So I'm gonna just loosen it. And then I should be able to get the rest off by hand. All right, so we got the nuts off of the studs that hold in the taillight. So at this point, you're just going to gently pull out the housing. And then at that point, we can disconnect what's behind here. All right, so we only have one bulb out at the moment. So we're just gonna twist this connector. And then at this point, we can take out this LED bulb, which didn't last, unfortunately. So this one is trash. Got our new one, it's an inexact replacement. For LEDs, actually, these JDM Master or JD Master LEDs, they actually lasted a pretty long time for an LED like this. So now we're just gonna put it in, and now we're just gonna lock in the socket, and I'm kind of doing it blindly here, so that's why this is going kind of funny. All right, so we got it in, we just locked it, and now we are just going to line up the studs for the taillight to get this back in place. And of course, I'm not wearing my prescription glasses, so I can't really see too well here, but I will get this. There we go. So we have this now in place, ready to be bolted back in. The only thing that we need to consider is that it's lined up correctly. And then we're just gonna do the reverse procedure of what we did earlier. Obviously, this needs to be tested. So we'll test this real quick, and then we'll button everything up. All right, so it lights up as a parking light. Step on the brake. And the brake works. Step on it again. Let off. Again. All right, so the brakes are working. All right, guys, so that's how you change out the light bulbs in a 03 to 2011 Lincoln Town Car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did find it helpful, be sure to give the video a like. And if you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.